Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your browsing history in Google Chrome. So to do this, just simply click the three that's on the upper right hand side, go down to history, and once you hover over that, you will see your history. Now, this is going to show your recent tabs, and if you have like a group of tabs open in one window, you will be able to see them showing tabs, and the number of tabs will be showing there. If you have group like this, you can simply hover over it. It will show you how many tabs, and you can just go across and click on restore window. You can restore as much windows that you will find there, and you will be able to keep them for a really long time as well. So you can do this days after days. Now, I want to recommend to you that if you have tabs like this, one of the best ways how to save these tabs is to create a group tab, right? And I'm going to show you this in a bit later, how you can quickly create group tabs so that you don't have to go to your history each time and open it like this. But if you want to check your history, you can check it like this. And if you want to open up your history, you can just simply click in history, and it's going to show you all of your history right here. So you can quickly go ahead and scroll through between different days and check your history. Now, let me show you how group tabs works. So let's say you're in Google Chrome and you have a ton of different tabs open. You can go ahead and click the apps or these four cubes on the upper left hand side, and here you'll have the option to create a new group tab. These group tabs allow you to open up multiple tabs and group them together in a group. And you can easily find those group tabs once you create that over the left hand side. As you can see, I have one for YouTube, and I can click on that and it's going to open up all of those tabs for me from YouTube. And so you have them stored there, and you don't have to worry about they'll be removed under your history at some point in time. So let's create a quick group tab here. I'm going to go ahead and just create something. So let me just go to let's start with Google as we're already there. Click the cube here and just click and create a group tab. We can give this one a name. Let's call this Google search, for example, and we will just go ahead and give it a color. So let's give it a blue. And what's going to happen is that once you go ahead and click away, you have it there. And you can continue to open up more tabs and more tabs and more tabs, and you will have those. I recommend that you create your group tabs last after you open up all of those. So let's try, for example, Yahoo. I will go to Yahoo, for example, right? Yahoo.com. And what's going to happen is that if you have multiple tabs open, you can just simply group them at once when you create your group tab. However, it's not impossible to actually save open tabs in your current group tab that you have open. So for example, right here, Yahoo is not in the group tab because you can see the color, and you can see the color underneath the line that it's tapped underneath the first tab. But I can add the second tab to the group tab. Just simply right click on that and you'll be able to add it to group. As you can see right here, it says add tab to group. You hover over that and you add it to the current open group tab. So I will click it, and you can see that this Yahoo is now under the group tab. So if I close this group tab right here, let's go ahead and close the group tab. And at any point in time you want to open it again, you don't have to go to the tree that's on the upper right hand side. Go to history and try to find it under history. You have your group tabs here that you can quickly open, or you have them right here. Just simply click one click of a button and you have your group tabs open. You can quickly access them. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.